In January, Moderna said it was planning on more than quadrupling the price of the COVID vaccine. A single dose could cost taxpayers up to $130. Let's be clear, Moderna exists as we know it because of all of us, the taxpayers. Consider what David Kessler, a former top White House official, said about Moderna in 2021.
Moderna has some $10 billion of taxpayer money. While Moderna does deserve substantial credit, the United States government has played a very substantial role in making Moderna the company it is.
Moderna is the poster child for the greed of the pharmaceutical industry. First, Moderna worked hand in hand with scientists at the US National Institutes of Health to invent the COVID vaccine. Next, the federal government funded nearly all of the vaccine's development, providing at least $2.1 billion in support for research and development. Third, the federal government bought $10 billion worth of doses. In total, taxpayers have spent $12 billion on Moderna. We made the COVID vaccine possible. Moderna's executives became billionaires, and the company raked in $21 billion in profits. How has Moderna thanked the federal government and taxpayers for their support? It started by erasing the contributions of the federal government and by refusing to name federal scientists as co-inventors of the vaccine. Francis Collins, the former head of the National Institutes of Health, was not happy.
I think Moderna has made a serious mistake here in not providing the kind of co-inventorship credit to people who played a major role in the development of the vaccine that they are now making a fair amount of money off of.
Then, amid a raging pandemic, Moderna has refused to share the vaccine recipe with African scientists working to expand global production, even after direct requests by the World Health Organization.
Despite our requests, Moderna has so far declined to share technology or know-how with the WHO hub. This delays our life-saving work.
You said, quote, people are dying because of the choices of Moderna and Pfizer, their boards and shareholders.
And now, Moderna wants to more than quadruple the price of the vaccine. Senator Sanders raised the alarm in January. The White House says it shares Senator Sanders' concern.
We share this concern that those shots should be affordable. That is something that we share the concern with Senator Sanders. The price hike here is hard to understand or to justify. We do have those concerns as well, and we believe that shots should be affordable.
Moderna's planned price increase would put taxpayers on the hook for billions of dollars and hurt our nation's public health response. After Senator Sanders invited the CEO of Moderna to a hearing, Moderna announced a patient assistance program that would provide free vaccines for people without insurance. But Moderna has not provided any details about how the program would work. Moderna's behavior has been outrageous, but it is not alone. Public dollars fuel the invention of cutting-edge new medicines. We make it all possible. Now we have to put an end to the greed of the pharmaceutical industry.